Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and actually solve number 3. So we have dv dt equals negative v, and v at time equals 0 is 1. So I'll rearrange this a little quicker now. So we'll say dv over v equals negative 1/4 dt. We'll integrate both sides. So we'll get that natural log of v equals negative t over 4 plus c. And we know that at t equals 0, v of 0 equals 1. So we can actually substitute that into here and say natural log of 1 equals c when we simplify. So we're going to say that ln of v equals negative t over 4 plus the natural log of 1. So we're ending up getting ln v minus ln 1. Well, when we actually subtract that, it'll be ln of v over 1 equals negative t over 4. We can take the exponential of both sides, and so what we'll end up getting is that v of t equals e to the negative t over 4. So that's number 3. Now we're going to start moving into some of the work that we do in AP Physics. So if you can't tell, this is in fact the equation of an object that has some air resistance on it. It's not falling, it's actually moving horizontally. But it's actually the differential equation that we're used to. So we don't need to do a lot of physics here. It's simply differential equations, and k and m are constant, and v of 0 is v naught. So first, let's do what we always do. Let's separate variables. So negative k over m times v, and that's going to be dv over v equals negative k over m dt. So we're going to get that the natural log of v equals negative k over m plus c. Continuing, let's isolate c now. Let's solve for c. So we're going to say the natural log of v naught equals negative k over m, sorry, that's times t, times 0 plus c. So that tells us that c is the natural log of v naught. Continuing, we're going to say the natural log of v, so now we can kind of put these two things together into the full solution. So the natural log of v equals negative k t over m plus the natural log of v naught. Subtracting natural log of v from both sides, we're going to get ln of v over v naught equals e equals negative k t over m. That looks awful. So the natural log of v over v naught equals negative kt over m. Let's take the exponential of both sides, and so what we'll end up getting is that v over v naught equals e to the negative kt over m. And finally, we get that v equals v naught times e to the negative kt divided by m. Excellent. So we're really moving along with some of the AP Physics considerations. So what we will do here is I have a couple of problems, 5, 6, all the way through number 8, which I think we will take a look at in class next time. So I'm going to leave off here at problem number 4. I would strongly encourage you to attempt problems number 5 and 6. And actually 5 through 8 would be excellent problems to attempt as we go ahead and move into the application of differential equations into physics.